Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a simple DIY paper craft decorations for the Sankranti. Check this complete video for step-by-step process, and if you have kids you can involve them as well. Let's get started. For making kite, firstly we'll take a craft paper, any color paper of your choice, and bamboo sticks, and also a foam sheet, glitter foam sheet. So as I've shown here, just fold the paper and cut the remaining portion to make it into a square shape. With the help of hot glue, I'm sticking the bamboo sticks on back side. So once you stick the 4 sticks, kite is almost ready. We gonna just decorate it. And now take a foam sheet and draw a circle using any lid or anything which is available at your home. Stick using hot glue as I've shown here, and then on the same foam sheet I'm taking 2 inches triangles. So we need 2 triangles. Stick those triangles using hot glue on 2 edges. Here I'm using a contrast color for the kite. Stick it at bottom as shown with hot glue. So now kite is ready. For the next activity, for making a pot, I have chosen a brown color paper and then draw a pot. So once we cut the pot, we'll take a white color paper or any white paper and draw a cloud kind of thing. It's like milk flowing from the pot, which resembles the milk pot. Stick it on top portion of the pot. Using any sketch pens or color pens, crayons, whatever is available at your home. We'll draw some rangoli designs using these sketches or crayons. So now our pot is ready with this design. Next we're gonna make a sugar cane. So for that we'll take two different color papers. One, I'm taking here a brown color paper, brownish shade, and the other one is green. So as I've shown, just fold the brown color paper and stick using tape. Take a green color paper as shown and fold it into half and then cut it. Once we cut the green color paper into into leaves, then we'll stick it around the brown color paper as shown. And then mark it using any color pen like brown or red color. So now we are ready with all the basic backdrop decoration. For the wall, I'm using two push pins and a strong thread like twine or caudal. So for the backdrop as shown, I have taken a sari, a plain sari. Like you can take any plain cloth or sari if you have, and then I have used safety pins to stick it together on all the four corners and as well as in middle. And I have used artificial marigold, hang both the sides, and then I attached all the paper crafts which we made before using a tape. So now our decoration is ready. I hope you like it. Please do try and also share it with your friends and involve your kids. It will be a very fun activity for them as well. For more details on this video, click on the description and check. I have given all the links where to purchase like the craft papers and the sticks, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I hope you liked it. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.